Coach,
Yeah.
1-0 victory at home. First game out of the way. It doesn't matter how you play at this round. The result is what matters.
Yeah.
Can you take us through this game?
It was a game that we recognized early. We had a way that we could play to if we were going to have a good day and have much of the ball. But we always had a plan in the event that we don't have the ball. And these boys, people think what they're doing today is, some would say luck, but don't mix luck with skill. We often don't appreciate the defensive side of football. And in pre-season, we did it over and over and over. If you ask the boys, we spent about a month and a half just working on low, medium blocks. And stats, we played them in pre-season, up by McGrath, 85 minutes, 1-0. We conceded in the 90th minute because of legs and stuff. But we could see things working. And Calabar twice. 1-0 one time, penalty we won the other time, just under the catch. But it's a low block. And it's not just low block. You can have people behind the ball, but if they don't know what to do, when to step up, who to cover, changing marks, assessing situation, get into your defensive stand, assess a player, decide which foot you want to put him on. All of that is a part of defense. But when people lose, and I quite understand, you'll say, oh, this team isn't good. They sit behind the ball all day. They are lucky. But you make your luck in football. And when a player clears a ball off the line, when a keeper goes forward, that's not luck. That's something you work on football.
Timing.
The keeper goes forward.
Timing is very important.
Your defender drop behind.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. So, hey, it's 3 points. And that's what we wanted, to give ourselves a chance. We play our next game against Morant Bay. I don't know what they're like yet. We didn't spend any time to look at them. It was everything focused on Central. This is our second time facing Central in the Costa Cup. 2 years ago, we beat them 1-0 again. Repeat itself. It's good because Dintil have my ticket too. Sometimes they play me 3 times and beat me. So I needed to have somebody's ticket anyway. But I think I'm immensely proud of the boys. It's one thing to have a plan, but the next thing you have to execute it. And these boys executed to the T today. Yes, there's always areas to improve because sometimes we didn't step up enough at the top of the 18 and we gave them too much shots. But hey, legs going, it's 1 o'clock. You have to factor everything in it. I give them so much credit. I've never been proud of these boys. Nobody gave them a chance when I started with them because they're small. My back line, 13, 14, 14. That's centre back fast. Left back to centre backs. 13 right, 14 right back, goalkeeper 14. That's my back 5. I mean, lots of years to go, but they have to learn to suffer. This is part of football. As they grow, they'll get better days.
Final question. How's the blood pressure?
You know, the blood pressure isn't bad. You know, I got a lovely text today from my girlfriend overseas, and she says, you know, ask and it shall be given. And don't fret it. You've got this one today. You put in the work in pre-season. So I didn't fret it. I asked for it. The Lord answered. I guess Central asks too, but you have to ask with belief. Maybe I believe a little bit more. But I'm happy for it. I can tell you that. But it's about recovery now and getting ready for Morant Bay, which we don't know much about, but we're going to try and find out as much as we can in short order. But as you rightfully said at the start of this interview, it's all about getting the 3 points and moving on. I mean, if we can get to the round of 16, it'll be a huge achievement. They'll be in another competition. All I want for these boys are experience. Just more games. Games is the best teacher. No matter how coach we think we are good coaches, game is the best teacher. And they learned something today. And I think they will believe in me a little bit more.
Yeah, good suffering, coach. Congrats here.
It hurt, but it's
Best of luck for the season, coach.
Thanks,
Yeah, man.
Cool.